That's a great question. I do feel like the county, did try and fight for it, and what happened is horribly tragic. We need composting in Sonoma County. I think it was actually, I heard the first mailer where the Farm Bureau and Sonoma County Conservation Action both had their logo on the same thing, was the Compost Coalition, trying to get composting back in Sonoma County because it's been a tremendous loss for our small farmers. And it's also just ridiculous when you think about the amount of yard waste and food waste that we generate that is now being trucked out of the county and then having to truck that back in. In my mind, we're not a sustainable community unless we can sort of produce and deal with our waste as much as possible. I think it's really important to have just a really work towards community resilience, which is something that I know that Sebastopol has done with the Cheetah Slow movement, and just this idea of, how can we be as robust as possible. That said, I don't have any magic bullets to try and bring composting back in Sonoma County. I'm actually going to sit down with Pam Davis and the Compost Coalition and Leslie really soon to talk about that. And so I really look forward to working very hard on this issue because I think it's tremendously important. Unfortunately, I don't have any brilliant ideas. Other than that, I'm going to try and go sit down with those guys, find out what's going on and what I can do to help.
Thank you.